Hello, I'm Mike Pruzinsky from Reed Manufacturing in Erie, Pennsylvania, and I'm at the Indianapolis WWETT show, and I'm here to talk about the Reed Bevel Boss. The Bevel Boss is this head. It's available for DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Bosch die grinders. This is shown on a DeWalt die grinder, which we have as a complete kit where you get a battery, the bevel head, the R-bit one. As is in the kit, it will bevel up to 12-inch pipe. We offer an R-bit 2 as an accessory to bevel up to 24-inch pipe. This is installed with an optional vacuum attachment to prevent the chips from polluting the area. This is the CPB VAC, and you can attach most vacuums to the attachment, and it will accumulate all of the shavings as you bevel your pipe.